Hello everyone, looking forward to finishing our last semester of field placement. The type of agency that I'm currently at is a partial program for 9th to 12th graders. The partial program provides individual, family, group therapy to all the students. We have students with an array of diagnoses ranging from suicidal, self-harmers, depression, and other mental health issues. In the classroom there's a teacher's assistant, behavioral health worker, and then a social worker on site. One thing that I do really enjoy about this clinical is the bond between all the staff and the students. I feel like it's one family essentially, and these students look at all the staff as adults and like somebody to go to at all times and for anything. I feel like when a student wants to talk to you, that they look at you as a family-like figure and someone who they trust and can go to at any time discussing any topic. One challenge I have come across is when doing group therapy with all the students. Our max capacity is 12 and that's what we're at, and I feel like sometimes I struggle a little trying to keep the students' attention. Some of them put their head down and you try getting them to refocus, and it's very difficult times, and you have the ones that are focusing and asking lots of questions, and it's hard to split up the amount of time trying to get somebody to focus in group and to keep the ones that are focused in tune. It's definitely something I need to work on a little bit. So far in my field placement, I feel that I've learned that I could be very empathetic with all the students. The students come from a variety of situations and habits, and I feel like no matter what their problem is or why they're in the program, that I can look at them just like I would anybody else, whether compare them to a coworker, to another family member, to friends of mine. I feel like I treat them just like I would anybody else, and that's definitely something that not everybody has, and I feel like is definitely helpful in this career field. Thank you all, and best of luck.